him from the yard.
This is Don, the Diecast Pirate. Today, I have for you an upgrade for the Vette. Okay, so if you watched that video, you know that I had some problems with the interior, and I said like 5 pieces. I think it was actually 6 pieces that this interior broke into. And when it first broke, I had looked online to see if I could find a replacement interior for it and could not find one anywhere. Well, since I finished this restoration and uploaded the video, I had went and looked. There's one of my saved sellers on eBay that I'll go and check, and sometimes he sells parts for cars. I've gotten a couple of different hoods from him over time. Actually, if you go back to my first Sweet 16 restoration of the custom Barracuda, that was an original hood that I had bought from him. Okay, so if we take a look at this interior here, you see that white glob on the steering wheel. If that wasn't, then that... Okay, let's back up. The white glob on the steering wheel is super glue from when I had to glue this interior back together. Now, maybe if I touch that up with some close matching paint, it might be okay. In the meantime, I went and checked this seller, and he had this interior along with this window glass. And this could clean up very well and be a good one for another restoration. But I went ahead and took the liberty of cleaning up the interior just to make this quick. Alright, and we're going to swap this interior out for one that's fully intact and see how this looks. So let me just get these screws ready here. Alright, one done, let's get the other one. And just like that, we have a fully intact interior in this car. Let's get it up on the turntable. And there it is. See if we can get a little more down angle on it. Things show right through the camera. I can see things in the camera that I don't see with the naked eye. It always bugs me after I do that and see something that I didn't see. Notice the little hair, fuzzy, whatnot. So there we go, guys. Gave it an upgrade with a fully intact interior. I kind of do like the lighter color interiors. I think it has a better contrast. What do you guys think? Here it is. Original broken interior that I glued back together. One fully intact that is more pliable and won't break. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, click that like button, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.